Hey everyone, welcome back to the BytePhase channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to hide specific modules in BytePhase CRM, whether it's for the admin, employee, or customer view. Start by logging in as an admin. Then, head over to the business settings from the left sidebar. Next, click on Settings, and then choose Module Settings. In the Module Settings section, you can choose which modules should be visible or hidden. Don't worry, disabling a module here won't delete any data. It simply hides the module from view. Click the Edit button in the top right. Now, select the modules you want to hide. It could be anything like leads, jobs, purchases, etc. Once selected, click Save. That's it! The selected modules will now be hidden from the admin panel as well as from employees and customers, based on your configuration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all BytePhase CRM features. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help.